got a stupid door squeak?
Did. I can't see in there. I can see up to here.
Oh, I'll film that later. Fixed.
Yeah, so about the door.
Dude, it seriously made it worse.
That made it so much worse. God. You made
How do you
so
oil something and then it gets worse after you oil it?
No oil's coming up.
Yeah, there is. I see it.
I can barely see it. Little droplets.
Try that. Try that.
Yeah, don't put it away before you close it. Those are all the way. Not too bad.
Yeah, but it's worse than it was when it started. How is that even? I literally don't know how that's possible. Yeah, I need to do some like deep penetrating spray. Deep penetrating spray.
And that's how I became a dad.
When all else fails, use tools.
The old-fashioned way.
Bam. Alright, so let me show you what I did here. Here, this little roller. So this roller, all I did is pull it up with the screwdriver a little bit. So I guess after time, it starts to move down, and that's what causes the squeaking for whatever reason. So obviously after oiling it, it just got louder for me. So you just take a screwdriver in there, pull it up a little bit as you wiggle the door back and forth, and then it's fixed. Hey, look at that. No squeak.
No squeak.
No squeak.
No squeak. Too bad you can't do it to your railing.
Too bad I can't do that to you.